Well, World Watch is 8:45 a.m. PST, January 17th, and NONAC is very close to the Philippines around here. Still around 45 knots. Actually, they went 50, but 45, 50. Probably reaches its peak. It's going to be probably weakening as it does its loop. But, yeah. But who knows? I mean, interesting loop. And the less favorable conditions. Uh, that's what we have no neck. DUDZAI is still around. It's around 55 knots now. Here's a satellite picture of it. Uh, take a look at it. It has 55 knots. Southwestern Indian Ocean. And it's going to be passing by Port Medicine and then Metis by 19th. Then turning southwestward long term. Not particularly strong storm, tropical storm. Um, there is 96S, which I believe has been depressed for the last 2 or 3 days. But I don't think they'll operate it. It doesn't have much of a future, most likely. Um, yeah, 94P has become a little bit organized. Let me show you a satellite picture of it. This system, I'd go as far as say is already a depression or a borderline tropical storm. Actually, yeah, I mean, definitely better organized. Look like a tropical cyclone to me. Um, Most likely threaten New County, probably as a tropical storm. Models actually suggesting going down to 89 millibars. Interesting. We'll see. 97S. I mean, I thought the Canadian blew all across Australia. Couldn't merge out, but maybe only for a brief time. We'll see. We're watching something in the Eastern Pacific, um, which is right there. We really don't expect formation, but there's definitely LSC convection. I mean, one could argue that this deserves a 20 or 30% chance of development. I mean, an LSC convection. But the ANC, there's no way in hell the ANC is gonna say anything about it. I mean, let's be honest. Oh, that's your World Watch.